Hello friends, my name is Ankupta and in this video we will be learning about how to install the software using the package manager. So in Linux they have sudo apt install and you install the software without going anywhere, and just from the terminal you will be able to install the software like Chrome, Firefox, those kind of things. And in Windows they have just recently introduced the app installer. Before that we have Choco, but Choco is not provided by Microsoft itself. That was the third party tool. So you can see that this is the Microsoft Store and this is the App Installer. In some corporation, they don't allow the using the store, and in those cases, if they allow you to install the packages that is provided by Microsoft, you can simply go to install this file. This will be let you this file will install the Winget CLI into your PC, so you can get it from here, Microsoft slash Winget CLI. In this one, this is the latest release till date. So if you see, suppose I want to install the Firefox. What I will do Winget search Firefox, and this will be list will be showing me the packages it have for Firefox. So I can see that this is ESR, this is beta version, this is developer version, and this is the latest stable version. This is coming from store. So you can see the source. This is the coming from store. What I can do, I can simply go to Winget install mozilla.firefox, but I don't want to install it because I already have Firefox in my PC, so I am canceling it. But this way you can install all the software. So these are the list of few packages that you can do, and you can also make your script on your PC and save it somewhere. So suppose you sometime what happen, your PC got some issue or refreshed, or you are just moved to new machine, you can simply just run command and you will be able to install those things. Thanks for watching our video. Goodbye.